Hi, I'm Alexei from Inflectra Rapise team. Uh, it's a proceeding of the previous short video on how to implement custom controls, and in this case, we are going to move those custom control definitions to a common library. We are going to create a library that may be easily reused between different test cases. Okay, so we want to put this logic that's now available in test prepare into different test cases. Here's what we are going to do. I'm navigating to a special place where Rapise looks for custom libraries. It's users, public documents, Rapise, and there is a scripts folder. Here is the full path. Users, public documents, Rapise, scripts. It has a lib folder, and here I can put the definition of some custom library. Now, let's go to a folder where real Rapise libraries are stored. I need to go to program file, 686, Inflectra, Rapise, engine, lib. Here are default libraries. Each library is this jslib file and a folder with implementation files. This folder should contain at least one implementation. So since our library is going to be based on DevExpress, let me use it as a base. So I'm going to copy folder and file, copy, and put it here. Paste. Now I'm going to do some renaming. My controls folder should be my controls, and remove everything except former lib DevExpress. Also name it my controls. Now I can edit this, remove all contents, because it should be actually my implementation. I'm copying this and pasting here into my controls. Now, going back to lead my controls, we have implementation. Now we need to fix a definition. This lead my controls, so I need to name it, to give it a name. Now change the path to implementation. Lead my controls, and give description my controls over DevExpress library. Load order should be higher than load order of the parent library of DevExpress, so it's loaded after and sees all definitions. We may also add dependency if there are any, although having load order higher is actually enough, because it would anyway use it. So I'm just adding it as example. Express. And here is the check logic. Check logic helps auto detector to find out if that library needs to be loaded when application is selected by a user. Let's always load it when DevExpress library is loaded. Okay, that's it. No need for comment. So basically, it's just sys register library. All that's needed about the library. So we have minimal library that's able to do what we need from it. Now let's remove this test prepare, our custom logic, from here. So we have only test. And let's just mention it here. Start recording. You see that custom controls are still there, and they are recognizable. Now let's see what was the benefit from making a library. I'm adding new test, and again, let it be RL, for example, and let's start recording for the same application. So when I'm doing the same recording, I see that my custom controls are still recognized because definitions are read from the custom libraries, and custom library is automatically attached. So my controls is properly supported. I can use high level items, select item, and what I may also see is if I go to the base file for this, I can see that my controls library is automatically included because we have an auto detection. That's all. Thank you for attention.